Are you guys tired of having old and worn out headphones that just hurt your ears when you wear them, shed old cushioning all over the place, and just generally look yucky? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach y'all how to fix the cushioning on your headphones and make it look as good as new. Let's jump right into it. Okay, first of all, I'm sure this earpad replacing method will work on most gaming headphones on the market right now. Normal headphones, on the other hand, it's best to check if that headphone has an earpad replacement mechanism online or on YouTube or something, before you go yanking on them and realizing that they don't have one. Once you've made sure that your headphones support replaceable earpads, go ahead and yank out your old earpads out. After that, just measure the diameter of it from top to bottom and left to right. Then, using your preferred online retailer, such as eBay, Amazon, or Daraz, just to name a few, and search for the replacement earpad, starting with your headphone name and your earpad size. Once you've found one that best suits you, go ahead and order it. If that place headphone order came before the human race gets extinct from COVID or boredom, well, consider yourself lucky. Now take a screwdriver and rip off the earpad mounting case of the headphones, though this might take a while. And slide the new ones in just like that. Though this might take a while. After that, fix the mount back into your headphones and you're good to go. Wow, these headphones are 3 years old, yet they still look quite good. Thanks for watching, my friends. My name is Wiseman, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.